Today we want to talk about the differential relays in PowerFactory and how we can install the differential relay in PowerFactory. So the differential relay use two CTs value from both sides of any component. So it can be one line or it can be a transformer. Normally we use the differential relay for protecting of the transformers. And for doing so, we need two CTs in both sides of the transformer, and then we need one relay to be installed somewhere. So if we want to do that, for example, on this transformer, we can right-click, Device, CT, and New, and here we can design your CT. So you can put the values for your CT, for example, 1000 to 1 or anything. And you can put the name for this one, CT1, for example, and then you should go for other side doing exactly same. But at the end, if you want to test that one, because the differential relay for internal faults, you cannot make some short circuit calculation on this transformer, so you cannot test that. So for doing that, you should add one node. So first you should disconnect the transformer like this. You can disconnect, add one node, and then one small line here. For example, I added a 10-meter line with some without any values, and one node here with the same voltage, 230, and then you're doing that. Then later, if you want to test if you have some internal faults, you have operation by relay or not, you can doing that. For adding the relay, right click here, relay. So it should be a relay that has the functionality for differential relay. So I use this 7SD 8X 1 amp. Then here you can go to the differential, and here you can here you can add any details that you want. So release threshold is here, and the other values is also for setting is here. So you can make the setting for your differential relay. And for testing of that one, you can make one event here. You can add one fault on that node. And if you right click here and add plots and make the current comparison differential plot, so you can see the points here for the operation of the differential relay. So in top of this line, we have operation, and down of that, we don't have any operations. So here we have operation by the differential relay.